Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. On November 4th, 2023, Roadway Wiz came to town and we took a ride out to New Orleans International Airport to check out the progress on the new ramps and Diverging Diamond Interchange at Loyola Drive. And this is what we saw.
The great New Orleans flyover that we waited eons to see come to life.
Oh, this is it.
This is the new one.
Okay. I thought we were still by the old airport exit for some reason.
I guess, yeah, this is early November when we're filming this, so this opened 3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago, yeah. This one opened 4 weeks ago, the other one opened 3 weeks ago, I think. They opened a week apart.
Okay.
So it's either 4 and 3 or 3 and 2.
Definitely got to show people this area.
Yeah.
Okay,
so we've gone over veterans and we're now on the airport property.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is now like the terminal area.
Yeah. Yeah, departures and arrivals. So if you go straight, you can have to go all the way around the back of the airport, I think.
Yeah.
Or you can make the loop and go right back out.
Yeah.
Yeah, because departures are straight in front of us right now.
Yeah. I'll go this way. Kind of loop back out. I want to see the DDI progress.
Yeah.
Which is going to be underneath where we just were.
Yeah, so I'm guessing it's going to split up here.
Yeah.
You have to be in the right lane.
I think it's to the right.
Yeah, right lane. And I guess you'll bypass the ramp.
Yep. I like how they have the state names inside the interstate shields.
Yeah, they've started doing that again in Louisiana over the past 10 years or so.
Mm.
So all the new ones, wait, they had them on one of the green signs? Oh, no kidding, they did.
Yeah, they have these, and they got I saw a couple of the markers on the interstate that had them. Okay, so they have the traffic pattern set up for this. It's just that it's all
not complete.
Yeah, it's like they haven't done all the actual construction here.
They have.
I mean, they sort of.
Waiting for.
Well, they yeah.
And where's the traffic from the other direction going? Are they having to get on the interstate? No.
No, because you cross. Yeah, well, that's what this is.
This is actually operating as a DDI.
It is operating as a DDI. It's just that they've got a lot of work to do to just kind of tidy everything up. But that is your first DDI in the state of Louisiana.
Oh, well, I don't need heated seats on. I don't know how that.
Your coffee's hot enough, man.
Yeah.
Like
the other Civic had heated seats.
Yeah.
And there was a couple of times that it was cold enough to use them.
Yeah.
Light.
You know what that means in New York? It means go faster.
There's a confused person there.
Yeah, this is going to be a mess because it's in construction, so like all the stuff is still like the striping it doesn't look right.
Did you see that? The ends were backwards on both lanes.
I didn't see that.
The ends were backwards, just
Really?
the ends.